If you don't like your 9 to 5 but still love tech, then these AI side hustles are your golden ticket. First up, AI content optimization. Imagine transforming a single podcast into a treasure trove of content. You can transcribe it, whip up blog posts, social media clips, and even video scripts using AI tools. Businesses are always hungry for consistent content, and you could charge $501,000 per package. Best part, once you've got your workflow down, it only takes about 4-5 hours per project. Next, become an AI research assistant. Use AI to conduct market research, competitive analysis, and trend forecasting. Your secret weapon? Knowing how to prompt AI and verify info. Businesses need this, but often lack the know-how. You can charge $75-100 per hour and juggle multiple clients at once. Cha-ching! Finally, step into the world of AI automation consulting. Small businesses need custom AI solutions for customer service, email marketing, and more. You'll set these up and save them time and money. Each project can net you $2,000, $5,000, plus monthly maintenance fees. Ka-ching! In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first AI automation project. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the insider tips. See you next time.